Hi guys, this is Abi from Gokcedb. In this video, we are going to learn how to use a data table in Cucumber using Java. Let's start by looking at the test directory structure. Under the Java folder, I have a Hello Cucumber package with bunch of Java files, and under the resources folder, I have a Hello Cucumber package with 2 feature files. Now let's look at one of the feature files. On line 1, I have the name of the feature, and on line 2, I have a description. On line 4, I'm defining the scenario with 3 steps: given, when, and then. In my when step, I have a data table with the column headers of username and password with 2 rows. Next, let's look at the step definitions file. On line 31, I'm defining the @given step, and on line 37, I'm defining the @when step. Here, I'm using datatable.asMaps method to convert the table to a list of maps. For each row of the table, a map is created containing a mapping of column headers to the column cell of that row. In this for loop, I'm looping through all the rows of the table and printing the username and password. Finally, on line 47, I'm defining the @then step and printing the login successful message. Next, to execute this test, right-click on the feature file and hit run. As you can see, we were successfully able to access and print the data table values. There you have it. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Until next time.